Hi, good morning. Hopefully, you're getting this email. Sam, thank you for running this for this morning. I'm on my way to Indianapolis for DECA Day, so I want to leave you a couple of little tidbits to help you with the concentration game. You should be working on, let me get it here. Yes, you are on 4.1.2, which is our, let me scroll down here a little bit. Is our new activity, the concentration game. Hopefully, you're all on that today. And the whole idea is we're building this game so that you can run it. And you should be on about, let's see, sorry, I had it up and now I have too many tabs open right now. So I apologize. It'll take a minute here at school, to get things running properly. It's thinking. Come on. There we go. Okay, 412. I know you started this and some of you've been building the table and you have the starter code. It's in the announcements. Okay, so we're working on our 2D array and you started out wanting a checkerboard and you're looking at how do I make it the right number of grids, 4 across, 3 down. And you have some of that done in the starter code for you. Hopefully, you're at least to review the concentration runner class in the main method. The first block of code contains instructions for the game. Most of the work is done in the next construct, a while loop within this loop. The game board is displayed, a player selects a tile, the board is displayed again with the selected tile face up, the player selects another tile, the board is displayed again, this time with both tiles face up, and tiles are checked for a match. This algorithm repeats while there are unmatched tiles on the board. Where is the variable game declared? How is it initialized? What are the game's instance variables and methods? Do this with your partner and review this. Review the concentration class, focusing on the Java docs. As you read through them, start to form some ideas of how you might implement some of the algorithms that are described for each method. So in part 3 here, task 1, populate the game board. Summarize how game board is declared and initialized. Be sure to check any superclasses. After initialization, what are the values of the elements in game boarding? And they give you some debugging tips here. During gameplay, the BlueJ console is cleared between plays. This may interfere with debugging statements you want to display. You can temporarily turn off this feature. Open your concentration runner Java in the display board. Comment out the following line, system out print with the /U000C. Comment out portions of working code to make playing the game easier and faster. For example, to test your card matching algorithm, don't hide the cards while you try to find matches. So you can go in and manipulate your code, but you might want to write down what did I do so you can go back and change it back. Don't just screw up the starter code and then start over again. Try to remember where you're at. Step 8, observe the concentration constructor where you will begin to create the game. Algorithms. Populate the 2D game board array with tiles using a nested for loop algorithm. Use a test value for each element, such as new tile test or new tile, got an asterisk in there. Do not hard code the links of the array. Compile and run concentration runner. Your program will not print anything yet. The toString method for concentration returns an empty string. Okay, just to give you a couple of tips and hints, I'm going to show you what the code looks like. This is the answer key, concentration runner. There's an abstract board, concentration, and tile. When I actually ran it, you get this. Welcome to the game of concentration. Select the tile locations you want to see or enter any non-integer character to quit. You will need to know two-dimensional arrays to play. Press enter to continue. And when you press enter, it gives you the game board. It shows 4 across, 3 down. Here's your first choice, I, J, and it goes on from there. What I wanted to show you The concentration runner looks like this: public class concentration runner, private static concentration game, new concentration, public static void main, and there's your tiles. Here's your while loop: game, all tiles matched, display board. Okay, you're going to need to work through that so that you can work through it, see how it works, study it up, but it's to give you some tips and hints. Please work with your partner in trying to get some of this work done, and I will be back tomorrow. So give it a good shot for the day and do your best. Thanks and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday.